BL-C100G USB-C to RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet Adaptation unboxing video. Let's take a look at the packaging. There is an Ethernet adapter model, physical picture, and related functions on the front. Gigabit Ethernet interface, supports plug and play, compatible with multiple systems. Let's unpack and take a look. Made in independent dust bag. The Ethernet adapter body has a delicate frosted texture. No fingerprints, very comfortable to touch. The Ethernet interface is an RJ45 Gigabit to Ethernet converter. Remove the protective cap and use the standard USB-C adapter. That's the end of this video.